Welcome back to B Spice. In this session, we'll focus on IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things, question and answer. So we'll dive deep into each aspects of all the queries related to uh, IIoT, like, what are the benefits, what are the primary components, and what are all the security concerns, how IIoT can be used in real world application, and what are the future potential of IIoT, and what are all the challenges involved in implementing this IIoT, and what is edge computing, data security, how the data security is handled by IIoT, and what is the role of AI, artificial intelligence, in IIoT. All those will focus, friends. Okay, let's get on with the details. Okay, industrial Internet of Things. Okay, so basically, IIoT is a significant trend that is reshaping the industrial landscape. This we all know. While there are challenges to overcome, businesses that effectively leverage IIoT stand to gain a competitive advantages through improved efficiency, new business opportunities, and better decision making. Okay, so that is what IIoT. Okay, just an intro. Now we go into the question answer. Okay, what is IIoT? Yes, IIoT stands for Industrial Internet of Things. So it refers to the application of IoT technology, that is Internet of Things technologies in industrial settings, such as manufacturing plants, oil refineries, power stations, all these. Okay. So how does IIoT differ from IoT? While IoT generally refers to interconnectivity of devices in consumer context, like smart homes, wearables, IIoT is a subset of IoT that focuses specifically on industrial application. So, IIoT tends to involve larger scale system, higher stakes, greater levels of reliability and security. So basically, IIoT is a subset of IoT, right? So example of IIoT. An example of IIoT might be manufacturing plant, where various machines, devices are equipped with sensors to monitor temperature, pressure, speed. Okay, so this data can then analyze to predict equipment failures, optimize performance, and streamline production processes. That is the point. So what's the benefit? Yes, a lot of benefits. Benefits of IIoT can include increased efficiency, better quality control, improved safety, and of course, reduced operational cost. So what is happening here? By collecting and analyzing data from various points in industrial process, companies can gain insights that enable, more informed decision making, for informed decision making. Okay. What are the primary components of IIoT? Yes, IIoT consists of, intelligent edge devices, basically the sensors, actuators, right? And connectivity or network infrastructure and data processing and storage. So which may be, located on the edge on the cloud, edge or in the cloud. Okay. And additionally, advanced analytic application to interpret the data. So these are the components involved in this IIoT, right? So what are all the security concerns? Is there any security concerns? Yes. IIoT system, like other concern system, can be vulnerable to cyber threats. Yes. So these include data breaches, unauthorized access, attacks on the system that may disrupt the operations. So as such, robust security measures are crucial in an IIoT context, including, encryption or secure device identification, authentication, and regular security updates. Yeah. So IIoT in a real world application. Yeah, again, it's I related to this industry. See, a common real world application of IIoT is in a predictive maintenance in manufacturing. The sensors are attached to the machinery, right? So it collects the data on their operation, such as temperature, noise, vibration, all these. So these data is then analyzed, okay, to identify the signs that the machinery may about to fail or allowing maintenance to be carried out before this occurs. Okay, so thereby avoiding, costly downtime. So that is the point. So you may ask, what is the future of IIoT? Yes, the future of IIoT holds a lot of potential, friends. Yes, because as technology continue to advance, we will likely to see even a greater integration of IIoT system across various industries, leading to further developments in efficiency and productivity. So future IIoT advancement could also lead to a fully automated factories, smart cities, and advanced healthcare application. Okay. So now you may ask, what are the challenges? Yes, there are challenges. Challenges include concerns around data security, privacy, need for substantial infrastructure investment, and requirement of personnel with a relevant skill set to manage and interpret the large amount of data. Those are the challenges. So how does this IIoT relate to Industry 4? Yeah, IIoT is a key component of Industry 4, which refers to the fourth industrial revolution centered around digital technologies. So basically, Industry 4 envisions highly automated, interconnected system that can communicate with each other to optimize industrial process. That is the point. Okay. So what is edge computing in IIoT? Yes. Edge computing refers to the practice of processing the data closer to where it is generated. So at the edge of the network, rather than sending back to the central data center. So thereby, I don't know whether you got it. See, edge computing refers to the practice of processing data, analyzing the data closer to where it is generated. So if it is in the factory floor, yeah, it is in the factory floor. So we have the edge, okay, device there, and using that, we can, analyze that. Okay, or otherwise, we can use this cloud actually. It will be on the cloud. So basically what is happening here, this can reduce the latency and bandwidth. Okay. So yeah, which can be particularly beneficial in IIoT settings, where real-time data processing is very crucial. Okay. So that is the point. So what is a data security? How is data security handled in IIoT? So data security is, handling data security in IIoT can be a complex issue. Yes, of course, given of the nature of, industrial data, sensitiveness of the nature of industrial data, and potential consequences of breach. Strategies to ensure security can include encrypting the data, implementing robust access controls, and of course, regularly updating and patching system, and finally adopting a comprehensive security framework that address all these potential vulnerabilities. So that is how we need to handle it. So what is the role of artificial intelligence? Yes, artificial intelligence can play a role in a major role in IIoT by enabling more sophisticated data analysis and decision making. For example, take a case of a machine learning algorithm that can be used to predict equipment failures based on patterns in the data, or to optimize the industrial process by identifying the inefficiencies. Okay, how does IIoT impact the workforce? Yes, IIoT can impact the workforce in many ways. So it can lead to a job displacement due to automation, but it can also create new roles focused on managing and interpreting IIoT data. Okay, furthermore, it can enhance worker safety by enabling more proactive maintenance and by monitoring the conditions in hazardous environment. So that is the impact. So what are smart factories in the context of IIoT? Yeah, smart factories are a concept related to IIoT where all machinery and equipment in a factory are connected, providing real-time monitoring and data. That is the beauty. So this enables better automation, efficiency, and flexibility. Okay, in the production process. Okay, friends. Right. So that's it, and we have few more. Yeah, what is digital twin in technology in context of IIoT? Yeah, basically a digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical asset or a system. Okay, So in an IIoT, digital twins can be used to simulate, predict, optimize the performance of industrial equipment or processor. Okay. Now we little bit jump. How IIoT is relevant to supply chain management? Yes, IIoT can provide real-time visibility into supply chain operation by tracking the movement and status of goods, equipment, and vehicles. What a beauty. This can lead to increased efficiency, better demand forecasting, and improved customer service. That's the bottom line. Okay. Then how does IIoT contribute to energy efficiency? Yes, absolutely. IIoT can lead to energy efficiency by enabling real-time monitoring and optimization of energy usage in industrial setting. For example, sensors can be used to track energy consumption in different parts of a facility, and this data can then be analyzed to identify areas where efficiency could be improved. So that's how. Okay. Then, what role does cloud computing plays a role in IIoT? Yes, cloud computing provides the infrastructure needed to store and process the vast amount of data generated by IoT devices. It also follows for scalable, flexible, it also allows for scalable, flexible, and cost-effective computing resources, which are very critical for IIoT applications. Okay, then what is the role of sensors in IIoT? Yeah, sensors are very critical component of IIoT because they collect the data that drives IIoT applications. They can monitor various parameters such as temperature, humidity, pressure, vibration, and all these transmit this to the central system for analysis. Central system to the edge or on the cloud actually. Okay. Then few more actually. Example of industries that can benefit from IIoT. Yes, there are many industries, friends. Manufacturing, logistics, agriculture, oil and gas, healthcare. So in each of the sector, IIoT can improve efficiency, safety, and decision making. So that is the beauty of IIoT. So what are the benefits can IIoT offer to PLC, our own domain? Yes, IIoT can enhance PLC controlled automation by providing real-time analytics, predictive maintenance, remote operation, that is a beauty, and seamless integration with other systems. So if we do all these, this can lead to improved productivity, reduced downtime, and better decision making, isn't it? Yes. Then the last but not the least, how can IIoT be used to remotely monitor and control PLC? Yes, IIoT can read and interpret data from PLCs and transmit to a remote server. So this data can be accessed remotely, allowing operators to monitor the system performance and make necessary adjustment from anywhere, any part of the world. That's the beauty. So that's all I have for this IIoT, friends. I hope you got some insights into the IIoT aspects. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.